With that, let's turn our attention now to Battleground Canada, where the CBC and CTV broadcasters are projecting that Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney's Liberal Party has won the general election, but it's not yet clear if he will form a minority or majority government. The projections come shortly after polls closed across Canada in a pivotal election that has been overshadowed by US President Donald Trump's tariffs and also a high cost of living as far as Canada is concerned. In the latest development, I must inform our viewers that NDP's Jagmeet Singh, a Khalistan supporter, has suffered a big blow in these polls. In fact, as far as Jagmeet Singh is concerned, he has said that he will be stepping down after 8 years in charge of the NDP. Jagmeet Singh is to resign as the NDP leader after losing the British Columbia seat. But the big question remains, with a minority government likely, are there already signs of backroom talks beginning between the Liberals and the smaller parties? Well, we wait for my colleague Disha Bagchi to join us in just a moment from now with a quick update on what's happening in terms of numbers. In fact, Disha is with us currently. Disha, we're given to understand that Jagmeet Singh has now announced that he will be stepping down after suffering a major blow in this election and after being at the helm of his party after 8 years. It seems that Canada voters are showing separatists the door.
Absolutely. So now we can see that Jagmeet Singh has in fact, he has stepped down as the NDP leader, and it's been a bad day for the NDP given the fact that they are now projected to win only 7 seats. Right now they have projected a lead in 3 seats, while 4 seats they are still, there's still a doubt whether they'll be winning those seats, but it is definitely assured that they're going to lose his national party status, because they need 12 seats to keep their national party status. So definitely not a good day for Jagmeet Singh. But when it comes to the overall picture of the Canada elections as of this moment, Pierre Poilievre, the Conservative Party leader, has conceded defeat and has in fact congratulated Mark Carney and the Liberal Party for their victory. We've not heard from Mark Carney and the Liberal Party, but we can expect that in the coming couple of hours. But Pierre Poilievre now conceding defeat. And in fact, to just show our viewers some of the numbers and some of the heavyweights, we can see that Mark Carney, in fact, is leading in his constituency, whereas Pierre Poilievre was consistently trailing in his constituency. So really not a good day for Pierre Poilievre. Now, when it comes to what really went wrong and what perhaps was one of the reasons for the Conservative Party's performance today and could explain their performance today, is the fact that the deciding factor was in fact US President Donald Trump. Now, since Donald Trump came back to the White House in January, he has continuously threatened Canada with annexation threats as well as tariffs. And in fact, Pierre Poilievre had a Canada First approach, and that was one of his big campaign mottos and campaign logos. So now it was associated with Trump's America First approach. So that was one of the reasons for his downfall. Back to you.